time. You want to start peeling the onion? I feel like every episode starts with you peeling. It's helpful. It's helpful. Hello and welcome back to Around the World in One Kitchen. I'm Brian Hoffman from EatThisNY.com. This is Sam, my co-conspirator and co-chef. And together, we're cooking the food of all the countries around the world. You want me to help you peel the garlic? So the more I do the research about this country that we're visiting today, the more I want to just pack our bags and move there. It sounds amazing. What is the country, Sam?
Barbados.
Yes, Barbados. The national dish of Barbados is flying fish and cuckoo. But we couldn't find flying fish. We looked. Did we look for flying fish?
Yeah.
We looked everywhere. There's no flying fish here.
No.
So we went in a different direction. We're making curried chicken, which you'll find in a lot of Caribbean countries. And we're making something Sam's gonna like very much. We are making macaroni pie.
What is macaroni pie?
Macaroni pie is like macaroni cheese baked into a pie. In Barbados, they love fish, spices, and rum. Sounds like a perfect place to me.
Macaroni pie.
And curried chicken. This is it.
I'm making that.
Oh. Oh, dude, did it get in your eye?
Yeah. Some juice. Bambi, bamboo, bambi.
How does the lemon juice, how does it smell?
Sweet.
Sweet? It won't taste sweet, I promise that. And of course, you'll find curry chicken in places like India, but we are doing the version that you often find in the Caribbean. It's the tube macaroni instead of the elbow macaroni, and this is probably gonna work better in the pie.
I like the elbow macaroni.
I know, but today you're gonna like the tube macaroni, I promise. Because it's gonna taste yummy with lots and lots of cheese and ketchup and butter and pasta.
That's farther than me.
Yeah, why are they so hard? Because they're not cooked yet.
Yeah, but
We have to put them in boiling water and then they get soft.
But why the fall?
They're small because they're cut that way. A lot of shredding on this episode. Do a taste test.
No.
It's good?
Yeah.
That's one way of doing it. Secret ingredient. One of the things that I think that separates Bajan and Caribbean macaroni pie from our macaroni and cheese.
This is a ketchup.
Yeah, do you want to use the spoon to get it all in? What color is that, Sammy?
It's kind of red.
Thyme is an herb. See what you think. Do you like the smell of thyme?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do too. Yeah, potatoes don't smell like much. Sam's really into smelling. It's funny, he'll smell all of the ingredients, but he won't taste the final product all the time. How's it going? right, Sammy, don't touch it, it's hot. But this is the macaroni pie we made.
Wow.
We'll be back with Sam's report in a little bit when he tries the macaroni pie and hopefully some of the curry chicken. And leave a comment below letting us know if you're from Barbados and we totally messed up your food, if you've ever been to Barbados, what your favorite dish is, and stay in touch because we'll be back when we go around the world in one kitchen. So if people enjoyed this video, what should they do?
I don't know.
They should subscribe.
Why?
Right, because then they can see all of our other videos and find out what country we're going to next. Where are we going to next?
Angola.
No, Angola we went 2 weeks ago. Belarus.
What the bell?
Belarus is in Europe. It's near Russia.
Mama, we made macaroni pie, but not cuckoo.
Macaroni pie from what country?
Bahrain.
Try again.
Barbados.
How is it, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How many stars do you give macaroni pie?
12.
12 stars!
Yeah.
The threshold keeps going up. Can you taste the ketchup?
No, no.
Oh, okay. But you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to go to Barbados now?
Yeah.
Yeah. You were going to try some curry chicken too?
No.
No. All right, well, that's why we made macaroni pie instead of cuckoo. Would you have tried cuckoo if we made it? No. Comments and join us next time.
I don't have a mic.
I do. It's under my shirt.
Oh.
See?
Oh,
There
I
it is.
didn't touch it.
Yeah, we're careful with it. Because when you touch it, it goes pss, 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 pss. Okay. You know, a lot of these videos that have kids cooking, they have the kids cooking by themselves instead of the parent here, China, and they just let them go wild. Okay, all right. You're killing me here.